My name is Craig Chiffers. I'm a UC consultant here with Modality Systems. I joined Modality in February 2016, so I've been here now about 9 months. My day-to-day role as a UC consultant is following the life cycle of our Skype for Business deployments that we do. I'm also a user adoption trainer as well, so that involves going in and making sure those users feel comfortable with using Skype for Business from the day of launch. Very vital. Traditionally, with making and receiving phone calls from an old style PAPX, you pick the handset up, you call someone in another office or a client site. Every time you make a call, it's costing you money. Now with Skype, of course, you can make Skype to Skype calls between not only internal staff, but maybe a client that also uses Skype for Business. You can also make Skype calls to the Skype consumer network as well. So say you have a client that doesn't use Skype for Business currently, you can make a Skype call to them on the Skype consumer network, voice to voice, video to video. That enables you to drastically cut your call costs. So traditionally, bringing people together for meetings is rather expensive. Not only do you need to coordinate an effective time when everyone's free, people may also need to travel interstate or even internationally to be brought together. With Skype for Business, you're able to bring everyone together into a virtual room to collaborate as one. With Skype, you're able to not only bring voice in, but video, as well as desktop presentations, PowerPoints, Excel files. Whereas before, people in the meeting room may have seen what was being written on a whiteboard, but people dialed in via legacy phone systems would not have been able to see what was going on. You're now able to see this over Skype. Effectively, anyone that joins the meeting is able to view that content regardless of where they are. They no longer need to be in the same place. Traditionally, your end users will come in at 9 AM, grab themselves a coffee, sit down at their desk all day, work for 8 hours, and then go home at 5 PM. Maybe they'll have a couple of meetings, scheduling throughout the day. And we're seeing more and more people shift away from that kind of setup and move into a more relaxed working style where users may not have their own desks, or users share desks or have shared working spaces. What Skype for Business allows you to do is move away from having that coming in, sitting at a desk at 9 AM, having your own desk set up. You're no longer tied to a desk. You no longer need a desk phone. As long as you have a computer or a tablet or a mobile device and a headset, you're good to go. You can make and receive phone calls from wherever you are. So be that at home, in a coffee shop, you're able to make and receive calls and join and collaborate in meetings. Modality has developed a library of applications, two of which are Help Me and Custom Invite. So Help Me enables end users to pose questions, potentially issues with Skype for Business or questions that they may have, as well as questions within the organization about any processes or procedures as well. Once the question has been posted, the question can be answered back via instant message reply. You can also call the user back via voice, as well as have a video to video session and do desktop sharing as well. So if the user wants to show you what the problem is live, you're able to view that via a desktop presentation, as well as take control of the user's machine and effectively solve the problem. We also have Custom Invite. Now, what Custom Invite allows you to do is customize the invite that's sent out via Skype for Business Outlook meeting requests. Now, traditionally, that Outlook meeting request is quite generic, it's quite plain. Feedback from end users is that they wish they could put their own wording within that invite, maybe a logo as well, to distinguish it from other meeting requests. Custom Invite allows you to do that. So you're able to customize the whole invite, all the text, all the wording within the invite itself. You can guide users through how to join the meeting. So no more are there going to be phone calls to your help desk 5 minutes before everyone joins the meeting, wondering how to install the plugin or how to get the meeting working. All of that information can be contained within the meeting invite itself. Really cutting down that time that users have to troubleshoot to join these meetings. It's literally one-click access and they're in.